The US dollar ceased rising against the euro and the pound sterling. Investors were buying the greenback amid the expectations of higher interest rates, and today there is no use to open long positions on the US dollar. In our video review on InstaForex TV channel, we will find out the main reasons for such changes. In the Eurozone, the final inflation data met the preliminary estimate, which unveiled acceleration to 5% from 4.9%. In other words, market participants did not receive any new information. That's why they ignored the report. Meanwhile, the US statistical data may lead to a deeper decline in the US dollar. The number of first-time claims may increase by 2,000, thus remaining almost at the same level. However, the number of continuing claims may surge by 91,000. This significant jump could be considered a real sign of the deterioration in the US labor market situation. It could be the key reason for the greenback's further drop. Now let's focus on the trading charts. The euro-dollar pair is recovering after rapid decline locked in January 18. The level of 1.1315 is acting as intermediate support. The pair climbed approximately by 50 pips from the mentioned level. Now the pair is returning to the range of 1.1230 and 1.1370. Under the current conditions, the reading of 1.1370 may act as resistance, boosting interest for the short positions. The signal will be proved only if the price fails to consolidate above the mentioned level. In this case, the quote is highly likely to return to the intermediate support level of 1.1315. The alternative scenario will become possible after the price consolidates above 1.1400. At the same time, the pound-dollar pair slackened its decline near 1.36. This led to a rebound and then to stagnation slightly above the control level. Although in January 14 and 18 the pound sterling showed a considerable drop, it's still at the peak of the uptrend. That's why we cannot say that the market sentiment has changed. Under the current conditions, the pair may remain stagnant near 1.3600. This, in turn, may result in the formation of the short-term range between 1.3590 and 1.3655. If the price fixes below 1.3570, it's likely to go on falling. How is trading going to unfold in the short term? We will definitely tell you in our next video reviews. Don't miss them and stay up to date with the latest market news. See you!